So one of the most important things they're always asked about is the rag on our heads. Why do we wear that thing? And, I ask Muslims, why do women cover their hair? And maybe 1 out of 99 gives the right answer. Now, if Muslims don't know why women wear this scarf, how do we expect non-Muslims to understand? The Quran itself says why we cover our hair. What does the Quran say? To identify ourselves as being Muslim. That's number 1, that we would be recognized. This is an act of truthfulness so that everybody will know that we want everyone to know that we are Muslim women. We are proud of being a Muslim woman. But then this says a lot too. See, what this tells everyone who sees me is what stands before you is a woman of enormous strength, enormous courage and integrity. This woman will not lie. She will not cheat. She will not deceive. She will be the best employer, the best employee, the best friend, the best advisor, the best counselor. That's a Muslim woman. You can trust her. And it's a warning. It tells to everybody what stands before you is a woman who knows her worth. She knows her value. She is not a toy. So don't even try to play with her. This is a woman you take serious. See, my hijab lets people know straight up front that I want to be set apart from everyone else. I want you to know who I am. And this is what you have a right to expect from me. And this is what I will accept from you. Therefore, when you come near me, leave your profanity somewhere else. I will not hear it. When you come to me, don't tell me stories about someone else. I do not eat the flesh of my brother. This identifies me as being a Muslim woman. Now, the ayah goes further, and it says that you would not be molested. And some people have taken the word molested and turned it into rape. It has nothing to do with rape. Actually, rape has nothing to do with sexual attraction. Rape is an act of violence and hate and domination. Old women, ancient old women, even older than me, get raped. No matter what you wear, it doesn't matter because it has nothing to do with sex. They're not turned on. They're filled with hate. That's where rape comes from. I don't accept that. That's my attitude. And that attitude makes everyone notice. I'll walk into a room where they're telling a dirty story and they stop because they know I won't tolerate it. So I have the Islamic attitude that lets people know what to expect from me. And at the same time, anyone who has trouble knows that they can come to me and talk to me about their problems and that their problem will be safe, it'll be secure, and the guidance they get will be the best of guidance. Now, some people go, oof, they think this is horrible. But I don't think it is horrible. I think it's closer to the truth than what has been.